How to log in into your FedEx account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your FedEx account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So this is really simple. First step, open up a web browser and simply search for FedEx login. After you search for that, you will find the FedEx website right here. Then what you can do is tap on this login option. You can directly head over to fedex.com/secure login. After you're on the website, you will see a page where you can enter your user ID and then a password. So if you don't have an account, you can tap on create a user ID from here and go through with the registration process and create an account to log in. After that, you can come back here, then type in your user ID and then your password. So make sure that you type in the correct user ID and the password. And if you want to make your login process easier for the future, you can check this box as well. Then tap on the login button to log in into your account. There is also an option to reset your user ID or password if you have forgotten them. And that's how you can log in into your FedEx account, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.